This is the electric grinder set. It's salt and pepper, not just only salt and pepper. You can put any type of spices you want in it. It'll grind it up. So what we're going to do is open up, show you what you get inside the box. Going over the parts, you have a charging cable, a cradle, a salt, pepper, or grinder, a pair. These are all the parts that come out of the actual grinder in case something ever gets jammed that you need to take apart. This is the opening and closing of the unit. There is a very small arrow on it, and you're simply just going to do your best to line up, lock into place, it snaps, and you're going to place everything back on the best you can. You slide everything over the mechanism. The spring goes next. A square washer goes next. The square grinder and the thumb bolt. If you want to grind things down, you can hear the clicking, and you can make it coarse to fine. In here there's going to be a light, so when you hit the on button, it'll light up. On this side is an indicator as well that will light up when charging, and I'm going to show you the bright indicator when it's on the charge unit. When placed into the cradle, you don't see the indicator at all, but when you press the button right here, you'll see the light indicate. As your unit needs to be charged, it will shine a dull light like so. Grab your favorite herbs, salts, peppers, whatnot. I'm going to place it into the grinder. I want to do my best to show you that there is salt in there. And I want to do my best to show you how it grinds. And I want to show you how the salt comes out. That is a lot of sea salt, very grind up. Grinders, no matter what flavor of spice you like, salt and pepper, I hope this grinder is something you're looking for. Hours of use, coarse to fine adjustment with the light, an on button, a LED indicator, and a door to add in your spices. The only way to know that you got the spice on here is to put a label or look through the door. I hope you enjoy your grinder set. Great for tabletops, countertops, your kitchen. I hope this product may be right for you.